The clips you saw before were shot with just a 15K budget device. Wondering how we did it? Let's check out in this video. So before that, this is Ram and you are here in Tech for Home. So let's get right into it. Here we got an awesome product for you at a budget price. This is Zhiyum Smooth Q Gimbal. Well, gimbal, what are they? Basically, gimbals are used to get a smooth footage with your camera by stabilizing it with its axis. Now let's unbox this and have a look of it. Opening up the package, we got the case which contains the gimbal. Oops, the zips are damaged. Bad luck. Let's continue. We got a USB cable and a manual. Now let's check the gimbal itself. Initial impressions, it got a good heft to it. Talking about the physical aspects, we got the power button which acts as a record button, mode button, zoom slider, joystick to control the directions, micro USB port, a regular USB port and a tripod thread. And it weighs about 440 grams. It got 3 axes, namely tilt axis, pan axis and roll axis. The 3 axes are used to stabilize the video. And this is the mobile holder. Just attach the mobile to it and adjust the slider in a way it doesn't fall off to either sides with its screw. Now let's power it on. Now the mobile is on position. This got 3 modes to it: pan mode, lock mode and following mode. By default, the gimbal enters into the pan mode, by which the axis pans in the direction of the gimbal and joystick can be used to control the up and down movement, locking the left and right control. Single tapping it moves to the lock mode. In this mode, the axis doesn't move unless you control over the joystick. Double tapping the mode button moves to the following mode. In this mode, the axis moves along the position of the gimbal, giving control over the tilting axis. Let me show a sample footage shot with and without the gimbal. This footage is shot without the gimbal. Going down the steps, you can see how jerky the footage is. And this footage is shot with the gimbal. As you can see here, how smooth the footage is. Now let's check it while running. This footage is shot without the gimbal, shot with Honor 9 Lite, running in a normal speed. Let's see how it performs when using the gimbal. I'm running in the same speed as before. And just see here how smooth the footage is. I'm just amazed with the results. The Zhiyum Smooth Q also supports Zhiyum apps like Zhiyum Play, but these apps are not that much perfect enough, particularly in face tracking. Though it has an option, it doesn't work for me. Let me know if it did work for you. Well, let's talk about the battery life. It can get roughly around 10 to 11 hours of battery life and takes 3 hours to get fully charged. Don't you wonder why it got a regular USB port? Your assumptions should be correct. It can also act as an external power bank for your smartphone with the 2000 mAh battery, so you're covered for the emergency purposes. Well, this amazing product is sold for 10,620 Indian rupees. Though it's a kind of cheap product compared to other gimbals, it's not for everyone. But this can be a great productivity product for content creators and vloggers. So that's it for this video. If you do like this, hit subs and do like and comment for more awesome content like this. Until then, this is Ram and I'm signing off.